So, before you watch my podcast, just to let you know, there are various inconsistencies within the audio. So, you may need to increase the volume or decrease the volume according to how you like it. Because there were many background noises during the recording. We recorded outside and stuff. So, yeah, and yeah, I hope you enjoy. That's it. Bye. Welcome, guys, to my podcast. It's a budget podcast. So, it was originally gonna be me talking to my friends over lunch, but since this guy came late, I have biscuits. Yeah, okay, so I'll let you introduce yourself to my audience. It's probably gonna be mostly just our friends. So, yeah.
Hi everyone, I'm Hetal ma'am. No, I'm Hussein. Yeah, and I have nothing to say except I'm so deeply heartfelt by the endearing gesture that my best friend, one of my best friends, Ved has shown towards me, being a part of his podcast, which is lunches, I think. Yeah. Yeah, we have biscuits for it. But yes, it's really amazing. Thank you, Ved. Why do you want the mic? Okay.
So the format was gonna be I'm gonna ask you some questions to familiarize yourself with the audience. So it's gonna be a quick round. You have to answer in 5 seconds.
Okay.
Okay? Are you ready?
What?
You have to answer my questions in 5 seconds. It's gonna be a quick round. No. Okay. So first question. What's your name?
Hussein.
What's your favorite color?
Black.
Nice. What's your favorite tree?
Bonsai?
Would you kick a child?
Depends.
What circumstances should there be?
Let's say if he's around 0 to 18. Yeah, I mean.
Remember, if you're 0 to 18 years old, Hussein would kick you without any reason. I thought he would give a genuine reason of why he would kick a child, but I guess not.
I come with peace unless you are under 18.
So, I saw your photo in the newspaper.
Really?
Yeah. Um, so, how does it feel being a semi celebrity?
Semi celebrity.
Local
Excuse me, I have been on TV for 10 minutes. I have given news channel, what do you call it? I have given interviews in Gujarati. I have made people say, "Okay, this is actual story. You know that the
I was
thing we
standing in the
had."
background.
Yeah, such a. I have that photo with me. I'll show it to you later. But so like we had this whole there's this thing that Nukkad Natak at our bus depot in Baroda. So we did the Nukkad Natak and everyone was really amazed and stuff. And they just called us up and like, oh, you have to give an interview. I'm like, what the hell, brother? I'm not prepared for this. And and it's not like someone like she asked kisko karna hai and then no one answered and she said Hussein aa jao. Like it was so random and it was crazy. I was my first interview like that Gujarati mein dena pada and there was this very comically heightened moment in that where they asked us कि तुम लोगों ने क्या distribute किया. I just waited for like 2 seconds. I looked him into the eyes and said bags. And I was just like, I think people have made T-shirts on this. Yeah, so like about that newspaper thing, I feel it is so overwhelming that I feel that did I deserve this? Like I don't remember studying itna to get it. Like okay, I do believe that one way or the other. Like I too narcissistic of me to say कि हाँ यार पढ़ा अच्छा है मिल गया. And yeah, to the point it's too heightened. ऐसे it seems that ये ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता. It's like ऐसे मैंने सोचे भी नहीं था. मेरे को लगा था कि 85% आ जाएंगे max. But like yeah, I got good marks. So I'm happy about it, but I'm not too happy to brag about it. because I know I mean that is the best thing to happen to me this whole year. My photo came in the newspaper. You know, people, small children came to me and they were like, "Hello, भैया, हमने आपको photo देखा," and ये सब. My nani cried. My nanny was like when she heard the news, I was like, she cried. Man, like, wow, like, it was not that big of a deal, but thank you, Nani. Yeah. So yeah, overwhelming. Yeah. Wow. Okay.
I also have to talk, bro. So do you get like a sense of superiority over others now?
No, nah. This is so weird. Never. Nah, it's just weird. Like, you know how people I really don't get the idea. I mean, okay, when I'm talking about this, I feel like people will think of me in a superior place, but I'm not. Like, it's like, you know how some smart people, they can act like, oh, मैं तो smart हूँ, but a smart man won't say कि हाँ मैं smart हूँ. Like, man, not them exactly, but I have seen literally people saying and it's not even like, if we are talking like, hi Ved, how are you, you will say hi, I'm good. You will not say be मैं smart हूँ. Like, that's not what a, like, I don't want to say this.
That's what Manas would say.
Yeah, no, sorry, Manas, we come in peace. Yeah, but yeah, uh,
You would say that.
he would say, I have a friend, and we're talking about prodigies and stuff, and she just goes, I am a child prodigy. And I just wait and like, did I ask? That's not the point, but like, the point is that a child prodigy won't say that I'm a child prodigy. So yeah, that's what my point is. I don't ever feel. Why would I feel superior? It's not like so first point. It's not like I earned it. Like, I got it on the basis of something that I did in the past. I did not work for it in the, yeah,
Technically your achievement, because
yeah.
you based it off your performance.
But more or less, it seems a bit whoa. Yeah, you said something.
I said it's based off your performance, so yeah, you should take some.
No, shut up. Yeah, that's that's what it is. So no, I don't feel superior. But if you call me funnier than you, then yeah, it's not something that I can help, man. Yeah.
So going back, so before the results came out, were you like anxious, or were you like, oh मैंने बहुत perform किया है, मेरा हो जाएगा, and also you being a very high scorer in our class and shit, so do you have some are there external pressures or expectations upon you or not?
Buddy, let me remind you, for the past 6 months, we did not attend a single class. And so I had, no, that's not sad, but like, the point being के the school just gave up, like, हाँ यार ठीक है यार, क्या कर सकते हैं अभी. We had an online farewell. We like yeah, for the light lamping ceremony, there was this diya, and our principal ma'am and coordinator, their photos, it was really adorable. The effort was really adorable. हाँ, but like they came and like they show a माचिस की तीली आती है और जल जाता है अचानक. Like,
Activated होता है, किसने किया वो?
पता नहीं, but like it at that point really felt like I had no fucks given. Like, yeah, that's what it was. So wait, what was your question?
Nothing. We'll just move on. So, did you see the UFC fight, Conor McGregor versus Dustin Poirier, the third fight? What did you think about it?
I mean, they broke a leg, but yeah, they break a leg.
It was yeah. He freaking, like. Did you see the slow motion? Like his entire leg turned into jelly for a second, and it was so sad. I was rooting for Conor.
Harry Potter में था कि वो हो गया था. You just do this. I don't give it to me. I just speak like that's better.
Yeah.
But don't try about it.
Okay.
Increase your volume.
So yeah, like I don't watch UFC now, but so it was shocking. But I don't know why. Like Conor McGregor, like jitna I know, he has a huge history of being very, like, underdog and very pow. Like, fighting and winning against like competitive people, like strong people. But lately he's just like
I think he's lost his drive.
yeah, like
He has so much money. Did you see? Like recently, he bought a yacht, and then after this fight, he bought another yacht.
what will we do with it?
He got no, and it's not even a regular yacht. It's
Lamborghini yacht.
It's a Lamborghini yacht.
Didn't make it.
It looks so good. Wait,
And now
I'll
he's
show you.
just chilling with Justin Bieber.
Oh yeah.
On his Insta.
Yeah, Justin Bieber chills with him. Wait, I'll show you his Instagram. Wait. Conor McGregor.
शादी वाले फोटोग्राफर ऐसे करते हैं.
अरे. Okay, I found it. Where is his yacht? Oh, look at this shit.
What is so notorious about him? I don't get it.
कैमरे पे दिखा.
He used because he talks a lot of trash. Oh, show the camera. Future editing Ved here to show you what we were talking about. So yeah, this is the yacht. It's a pretty dope yacht if you ask me. And now to your schedule broadcasting.
यार तू ऐड कर दो.
Oof, okay.
रुक रुक.
Did you get any present after your results?
No.
चिज्जी.
Same.
Oh, I think we'll go out, but for restaurant में dinner करने जाएंगे ये पता नहीं.
I see.
My mom like वो मन्नत होती है ना ऐसे.
Oh
She
हाँ.
made it, so she was like दया बन गई मेरी माँ. ऐसे जब तक अच्छे मार्क्स नहीं आएंगे तब तक हम बाहर नहीं जाएंगे. Like अभी आए थे.
ऐसा?
नहीं, like she was like she wanted to go someplace.
Oh.
So like when we visit that, and then after we come back, then we can go.
Okay. Oh, I went to this Saji Savai Baba thingy. I went to this Saji Savai Baba thingy once. I don't know if it's real or not. I'll just say that I go there. It's good, legit. It's near Pavagadh. Search it up. It's magical.
कर दिया फिर से start.
Okay, we're back. We had a technical issue. Now, I was talking about this Saji Savai Baba and what. Okay, if you go there, there is this patthar, there is this rock, and to do the. It's very hard to explain. You make a wish on the rock, and then if it spins around, then it comes true. It's a very weird concept, but it happened. Like it's legit. At least
अगर बाबा का मुंह पीला.
because like it happened thrice that my wishes got fulfilled, and it may be a coincidence, but I don't know. I'm not that spiritual. I don't believe in God, but if there is some spirituality, then I guess it's there.
What if you go there and just wish for अच्छे दिन ला दो प्लीज. नहीं, अच्छे दिन मोदी जी की 56 इंच की छाती को 108 इंच कर दो ऐसा. He just goes down instead. अच्छे दिन.
Doesn't spin if it
Yeah. No, but that's वही
I
ना.
also tested the thing. I asked some questions about physics that were not possible, and then it didn't spin. So Baba knows physics.
Damn.
Newton proved wrong.
Yeah.
Video title.
Wow.
Are you reading books lately?
I want to like so I saw this. Anything like anything that's what do you call? There are a lot of things that I want to do, but I don't do it. And it's mainly because I don't know. I don't have the will to do it. I'm just too lazy and too passive in a way. But like the last book that I was reading was 40 Rules of Love. It was by I forgot the name, but it's a really good book. It was about this poet Rumi.
Was it about love?
Yeah, it's about oh why would तो क्या किस पे रूल हुआ तो क्या कबड्डी पे थोड़ी नहीं होगी बुक 40 rules of love है नाम. It was good. So like I either read like in a single go or I don't read at all.
Oh.
So like I lie on that spectrum.
Yeah. Me and Dhruv are thinking of starting a book club where we read once, like a book a week.
That's
So-
what it is.
Yeah. So currently, like formed a habit of reading. So I've read Rich Dad Poor Dad as well as Atomic. I finished Atomic Habits yesterday, and it's like it's real. At first, I was like, these advice books or self-help books are not that good. They don't help. But then after reading them, I'm like, damn, it's it it feels like you're in a secret club of sorts where you know shit that other people wouldn't know.
Life hacks for life.
Yeah, life hacks for life. So I even made a list of life lessons that I learned from it, and out of which one of them really impacted me a lot. It was about habit forming. So if you want to create a habit, like for example, I want to meditate. You only do it for 2 minutes, and then you restrict yourself at the 2 minute mark and do something else. But then because of that, you'll feel like I'm already investing 2 minutes of my time into this. Why not more? Why not more? And that's how you form a habit. And then on top of that, you can add a habit block, which is you start a habit, and then every day you do the same order of habits every day. So it has helped me a lot. So I used to be free all day, but now after 3 o'clock I have this constant habit change. So I read, I study, then I exercise for 2 hours, I meditate, journal, and then spend time with family, then call my friends. So I have a habit or time reserved for everything. It's life changing. You should also read it, Atomic Habits. It's dope.
James Clear.
Yeah, by James Clear. Thank you, Dhruv. I would like to thank the cameraman. Um, so what's up? How's life now?
Oh damn. Nothing like in specific.
Remember this podcast is uncensored.
Yeah, it is uncensored.
Rachel, गाली दे.
Can
Hi,
we pause the
auntie.
podcast?
We can just let it be.
ऑडियो तो नहीं पॉज करी?
नहीं.
नहीं.
Shit. हमने क्लैप नहीं किया जब वो दूसरे टाइम स्टार्ट हुआ तो उसका प्रॉब्लम हो गया.
हाँ तो he said welcome back.
So everyone, wait.
उससे नहीं
Welcome
हुआ.
back from the break.
Yeah, welcome back. We have
Popcorn now.
we have popcorn now. What is
Slightly
this,
higher budget.
Damn, cherry on top.
Sponsored by his mom.
Yeah.
Thank you, uncle.
Put this somewhere. I don't know. Oh, I'll segue to our next topic. This is a very unprofessional podcast, but I like it. So fuck you, all the haters. Okay, that was weird. Now I'll yeah. So the next is it recording? Okay, we'll start another. We'll come back from the break again. Okay. Is it recording?
हाँ.
Okay, we'll start again. So we came back. We now have Popcorn, slightly higher budget podcast. Our guest is enjoying it. Oof. Oh yeah. So I'll segue to our next topic, which is I recently I recently read a article in the newspaper about our zoo, Vadodara Zoo, and the tigers there are literally starving. Like if you could see them, they are like kept in like tiny cages and starving, and the zoo doesn't even perform that well. And I think that is basically animal cruelty. So, as a citizen of my city, I have another battery there. Then why did you bring it up? Okay. So, as a citizen of my city, I felt like we should raise awareness about this, or form a sort of hashtag or something. Yeah. What are your thoughts?
Practically speaking, the basic course of action should be that we should inform it to people who can actually do something about it. That are willing to do something about it.
We can talk to people who run the corporation.
But yeah, you know how they are. If they like, I mean, I'm not assuming how they are, but like, based on the students, okay, I should not go on what's stereotypical on my stereotypical um, mindset and assume that how they are, like, ऐसे कुर्सी चेयर पे बैठते रहते हैं, अरे आज ये तो सुशीला है, बाटा का बना हुआ छे, ऐसे नहीं यार. It's a really serious matter because like, talking about tigers, like, we all went to Kanha Reserve and all that. No, you didn't come, but like all of us went, and it was sad because, like, okay, not because we did not see the tiger, but knowing what the condition is in India and the world right now, because they're like, what, they're endangered right now. They're nearly endangered, or they're endangered and nearly extinct. And they just told us that within a span of 100 years or something, I might not be right statistically over here, but like in a span of 100 years, and like, when the Britishers came, they started poaching tigers a lot, and you know that about 90% of the population just got decreased because of that. They just used to excessively poach tigers, and they used to go for huntings and stuff. And that reminds me that we need to because the point that you've rose is specifically based on tigers, and that too in our city itself. So yeah, I mean, if there is something that needs to be done, why do we waste time and opinions, and why don't we just do it? Yeah.
But the thing is, we don't have the power to do it. That's what I'm saying. By bringing up topics like this that are not relatively well known, we can attempt to make a change rather than just sit there and do nothing. And also, our zoos don't even try to conserve the tigers or breed them, and they don't even feed them. I went to the zoo once over these like 4 or 5 years, and the time I went there, the people were throwing stones at them, and then like, and oh, it was feeding time at over at the zoo, and they fed 3 tigers one slab of meat, just one slab. Can you imagine?
So where did you read this tiger ka thing?
It was in this Gujarati newspaper, a local
That actually,
newspaper.
like some days ago in short
Yeah.
about the Sayaji Gunj Zoo.
Sayadi Gunju. Yeah. It's sad. Are you thinking of traveling somewhere? Bali? Inside joke.
So like, no, right, not currently. No.
No. Dhruv's going to Smithy. What? What was it called?
तू स्मृति ईरानी जा रहा है?
Lahore Spiti, or
हाँ.
September,
Lahore Smith
वो कहाँ है?
Spiti.
Spiti Valley, Himachal.
Are you watching anime?
No.
Are you watching Netflix?
I started Black Mirror. That's so crazy.
The Prime Minister fucked a pig.
Yeah.
It was a really insightful thing.
Yeah,
But,
Piggy.
but I don't think that would happen in real life. Do you think so?
Why would?
That can.
I mean, there is like weirdo shit on internet. So I mean, like, if that can happen, then it like, it's not necessarily like a prime minister. Bestiality is on internet.
You've seen it?
No, like, but I know.
I'm trying to. He's so far away, dude.
But I know.
Yeah. See, the cameraman's giving great advice. Director / producer. Can you? Oh, speaking of Tare Zameen Par, it's such a classic movie, dude. It's like, it's such a good movie, and I don't know how it did not even win an Oscar. Did it?
Oscar में कौन सी?
अरे इंटरनेशनल मूवीज का ऑस्कर होता है ना.
No, it is, but
Gully Boy was nominated for Oscar.
it happened right now. So like, the thing about that is that originally जो भी international films जाते, like, there is this Satyajit Ray's movie Father Panchol. I don't know. Sorry if I'm offending anyone.
मैंने कर दिया.
Okay, so moving on. One of your defining characteristics is your social skills. One of my defining characteristics is a lack of social skills. How do I improve my social skills?
How do I know? like, there is nothing that goes on in my mind when I'm talking and like aisa. I think the part like like right now we are talking. Imagine if you were a stranger, and if I wanted to talk to you, I will. So I won't just say.
What I'm saying is, we went to Bombay once, right? And then you just interacted with these random folks like you knew them. And I don't know how you can even do that. How is it possible? To my mind, it's incomprehensible.
Damn big word. So like. I think the main thing that goes. I mean, I'm not trying to impress anyone by talking to random people. But generally, that's like I know, like because sometimes that is one of my motives. Yeah.
Ladies man.
When
It's weird how you haven't had a single girlfriend.
I have
Oh,
one.
oh.
I have told you about this.
No, you haven't.
I have.
I've asked you every year since we have
I
been
have.
friends.
I have told you, and
What?
you were like, okay.
Oh, wait. Who is it?
Now we have broken up. It's like 2 weeks only.
Do I know them?
No.
Okay, name बता हम उसको bleep कर देंगे.
No.
नहीं,
No, no. It was okay. तो पूरा नाम मैं जिसका भी नाम बोलूँगा आप उसका सबका नाम कर देना. So her name was
But she.
and wait, her name was and she was friend.
Oh.
So we knew each other for like a year. Constant on off हुआ. I met her on a birthday, and then kind of hit it off. And then she was like, I like, her. Like, oh, cute, yeah. So we went out, and then yeah, that was it. It lasted for a month, and then we broke up.
Udi baba. Udi baba.
It's weird how I've become more social the more I've aged. People become less social as they age.
Are you sure you have become more social?
Yeah,
Psycho.
I used to hang out alone.
You should, if you really have a problem with talking to people, I say.
नहीं पॉडकास्ट पे बोलियो.
अरे.
Spit your secrets.
बहुत सारे ऐसे बोलने के तो फिर खत्म ऐसे तो कितना सारा हो जाएगा. But it's just normal. It's just okay. We can edit that part out. If you really have a problem, what do you do? Like जब तू मेरे से बात कर.
That's why I started the podcast to become like good at talking to people.
Like when you talk to me, तेरे मन में इन्हें चलता है कि यार ये क्या सोचेगा मेरे बारे में. Just talk freely.
It's hard to not do that though.
But that's the point. Like you don't care. Like after a point, like what the like. See, even if you do good or even if you do bad, people will always say something. Right? दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग. That's one thing that you should abide by.
Interesting.
ऐसे तो यार.
Yeah.
Motivational quotes can either be bullshit.
Like I used to like want to talk to people, but I would not because I was like, oh,
See, even I have.
I'm not that good enough.
I have this fear of what if I run out of things and then it becomes really awkward.
Yeah.
बात करते करते आ जाती है बातें. अगर
Yeah.
आपके बीच में और भी कोई जैसे आजकल आने में बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं. आ जाती है. आप लोग थोड़ी बहुत सुबह सुबह एक वो है वेबसाइट मॉर्निंग ब्रू करके. तो वो आप उसको ईमेल के थ्रू सब्सक्राइब कर लो. वो आपको सुबह सुबह सारी जितनी मेन चीजें हुई अराउंड वर्ल्ड उसकी सारे शॉर्ट फॉर्म में दे देती है. फिर आप पढ़ लो बस.
Like I sometimes I find it like see I would love to talk to someone as well. But then मेरे मन में ऐसा चलता है like there is one more thing like okay I'll come back to that later. And मेरे मन में ये चलता है कि यार what if I run out of things. I have had dreams where I have woken up being very afraid कि should I run out of things to talk to.
Me too.
Like
Me
that
too.
happens. When that happens, it's like I have found my ways with it, right? Like, yeah, I don't care. It's not, and if I have something to talk about, I'll think about, like, talk to them. But generally, yeah.
What is this body shit that you're going?
I have started saying, so that's the thing. Like, when I don't have something, I'll say,
Body.
oh.
Okay, so we had major technical difficulties. Now we're back. So, I forgot what we were talking
Yeah, I
about.
have but like, yeah, we finished all the food, so it's just now. Get it? Yeah, okay.
Social shit.
Yeah, social. So I have told, like, off camera. I told him that the way, like, I don't have like a special care. I think यार अब तो मैं फाड़ दूंगा, मैं ऐसे बात करूंगा कि इसकी निकल जाएगी पीपी, हाँ. But shut up. But like, I think it's normal the way you talk to me, the way you talk to people around you. You should talk to them that way. You don't care what they think, because people, even if you do something good or do something bad or something awkward, they'll always form opinions about you. So it's better to not give a fuck. Yeah.
कुछ तो लोग
I also mentioned off camera that I love awkwardness.
Yeah.
लोगों को
Explain awkwardness.
So, as in, I stare at if it's a like
Yeah.
if it's a friend, right, someone I know, and I love to be awkward, so I just stare at them and say nothing, and it's funny.
Touche.
Yeah. What food do you like? Like that's novel. Like that most people don't like, but you like, such as pineapple pizza or something. I don't know.
Uh,
Dhruv, do you like pineapple pizza?
it sucks.
Okay.
We're losing daylight.
it's 6:30. Obviously, we are like. I have a better question.
Now I get paid.
Wow. Any other food I like? Oh, I don't. I don't think. Do you like chana dal?
Yeah.
Yeah.
not that good.
Do you like? There is something in, like, I think I like. I am a consensus, like ऐसा, like, जितना बाकी सबको पता है, बाकी सबको पसंद है, उतना ही मुझे पसंद है. So I think that I don't have like a special thing. I have a knack for something, like, yeah. I have a question for you. It's like, we're talking about something as a that cannot be said. But what is the most ridiculous thing that you've ever done? Ew. Okay, okay, so, like, the most ridiculous thing that has happened with me, that has happened with me is that my mom shaved my head, because I was like, I am sick of it now, and then she was like, okay, let me get a trimmer and I'll just trim a part of it. So उन्होंने वो guard नहीं लगाया. So she did one and part. पूरी line बन गई पीछे. So I was like, what the hell? Then she was like, कुछ नहीं हुआ. And then करते करते, I'll tell you, ये part पूरा ऊपर का और side से पूरा गया. ये, and then I was like, fuck it, like, just do it. And I did it. There were like uneven hair also. So I had that same hairstyle for like 3-4 months, and then I had to get a. अभी की बात है ये तो. अभी की बात है ये तो. So like, no, but then I got used to it. I was like, ठीक है. It felt normal, because I was, and when I did that, it feels so strange because there is hair, like, there is like air coming around, like, you, it's so weird.
Weird places
Huh.
that you have never felt before, because there was this one time I also trimmed my whole hair with 0 numbers.
Huh.
That was like totally ganja, and that was good.
Anda.
Do that one.
Don't. Okay. You look like an egg. That's why. You're a. ठीक है. Yes. So yeah, what's the most ridiculous thing you have done?
I need to think about this.
What's not the most ridiculous thing?
My life is full of ridiculous things. But I can't tell most of the ridiculous shit that I've done. But it's not shady, it's just embarrassing.
Cute. I'm now taking over the podcast. I'll be asking you questions. What is the most ridiculous thing you have done? You're not saying the right answer, but yeah. Oh yeah.
He knows everything about it. Yes. I'll tell you something really I'll tell you something really embarrassing that I've done. Okay, so Aryan came when he was new. He was a bitch, and then at the time, me and Arya, like, and like it was we were not mature and shit, so we made him an enemy sort of character. and then and then what happened was, after summer break, Arya and him became friends. So I was like, fuck, what do I do now? It's gonna be very awkward. So then I was one day I was like, तूने मेरा दोस्त चुरा लिया. And then since then, they have how do I say it? They have made fun of me since then, and I like awkwardness, so I'm okay with it. It's very, like, I just actually just went there and I was like, "तूने मेरा दोस्त चुरा लिया."
I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure, knowing Aaron, he would be like, okay.
You're like, okay.
Okay. Oh,
Damn.
also, did I mention? Have you? I was gonna ask you, how's your working out going? You started working out in between.
Getting okay.
Wow, I realize. So like I'm really invested. I want to invest myself, but I'll do that after I finish my prior set of goals.
What are you?
So like getting into university or planning to take a gap. So it's either two options that I have right now. And if I do that, so like if I take a gap, I'll
Sorry. You got one about.
mummy guy.
Dhruv's mom's calling.
The future is unknown.
मैं बोल रहा. अच्छा देखो.
Okay, then we'll
तुम लोग कंटिन्यू करो रिकॉर्डिंग चालू.
अच्छा ठीक है, okay. So like my prior set of goals is either getting into like a college or taking a gap. And once I do that, I'll start. So like I saw this gym equipment that's for like 2,500 and it's pretty good. So like within 4,000, I'll have like my own gym at home, and that's good. I can train at home. I can then build my own body and stuff. I want to get into boxing. So if once I start that process, like so apart from gaining, like I really am invested in the idea of like not getting super bulked up, but increasing my body muscle content.
I see.
So like you see these things, like I mean, you know how, like legit, like wait, like you can do this with them. It's that work. So like I want to increase my strength and वो. ठीक है यार, your hand is bigger than mine, isn't it? See? So
Slightly bigger.
so
My
that's
feet are way bigger.
you know what big feet means?
Speaking of feet, I have the biggest feet in India, probably.
Nah, that's not
Not
possible.
Not in
Yeah.
India.
Not
I
in
think in my
India.
friend circle.
So the
Yeah. You know what big feet means? You know what big feet means?
What?
That you have big feet, big shoes. Yeah.
Actually, because I've never seen someone's feet that are bigger than mine.
I mean, like I have like my foot size is like probably biggest among my friend circle. Aisa. Yeah. So I'll work out as soon as, I mean, getting into like, I mean, I was talking to you about this. Instead of skipping meals, you can cut down what you eat in a day. You still have, because having a 5 full meal, like it will keep your metabolism intact and stuff. तो मतलब तू खा भी सकता है और फिर you can.
Currently, I work out and do intermittent fasting. So today is a exceptional day because I'm having food. But I usually don't have food. I eat once a day. I eat whatever I want, and then I work out. I skip. I run.
Oh, you started skipping?
Yeah,
Did you learn how to?
yeah. I actually learned how to do those cross skips,
Yeah.
and I can do 15 of them, and then I can do 56 of the regular ones. I've been doing it for like 3 days now, and then I call this guy and I'm like, I'm so proud I started skipping, and then he tells me he did 86, and I'm like, wow, I feel so demotivated now.
You can do 86 regularly. Yes.
Yeah, so I did 56 one time. What's your record?
Let's not talk. It's like
120.
Oh, Savage. Also, I can do push-ups now. I could do 0, and now I can do like around 10.
Yeah.
You underestimated me.
From zero.
I have like genuinely like built like some muscle.
Show
Not-
next time.
I can. It's not that much. I you can touch it and then you can feel.
Gee, I don't wanna touch it. Okay. I have this.
Yeah, everyone has.
ठीक है यार. I thought I was special.
Special. How many push-ups can you do?
Proper वाले. See, if I'm really like bench, तो करना ही है. तो like 10 at max. I have gone to 15, but कैसा 5 push-up किया?
Oh,
Break. 5 like खड़े ऐसे ही like in position में ही.
That's nice.
That's 15. Yeah.
What?
Continuously 10 करनी फिर मैं जो बोलूं.
Okay. Good.
Okay.
Let's talk about this first. I want to bring. Okay, wait. Let's talk about this only. Yeah. Damn. The point about I see. Like current example, so it's our own government. Like there are people who said there are people who got arrested for saying that we will not use cow poop and cow urine. There are people who got arrested because of that.
So dumb.
So
Don't criticize the government is what I've been taught.
yeah, but that's the point. We have
I
been.
know it's a dictatorship at this.
Yeah,
point, if you look at
it's
it.
not.
India is not a democracy. It is elected autocracy.
Damn.
I read that.
Oh.
Wow.
It's very deep.
अर्नब को नहीं पता चलना चाहिए ना आ जाएगा घर पे
It's actually
हमारे
elected autocracy. Like, come on, politicians सबको पता है कि votes.
नहीं सच में बोल रहा
नहीं, but seriously, नहीं मैं कैमरा दे दूँ.
Okay, हाँ. With Dhruv is saying that Dhruv has a very strong opinion that it's an elected autocracy.
Yeah.
Like at this point we are not a healthy. We were never like since I have been very vocal about it. And this is one of those things that I cannot just sit and like say in like 5 minutes. You know, well on 2 hours, you need to inspect every aspect. You need to cover everything
Yeah.
because what has been going on.
So sad.
What is the basic ideology on which our government is based on? It's not being fulfilled. It's like so like people are making memes out of it because it is a joke. Right now we are living in a joke and that's sad. We don't realize it. Like people are legit like
The media is controlled for God's sake. The freaking media is
What
controlled.
about thoughts on Modi TV? नहीं, Namo TV. Namo TV.
We're gonna get cancelled.
नहीं,
Oh yeah,
because just
and
the free channels,
speaking of
BJP.
why will we get cancelled for sharing our opinion? Isn't that wrong? Where you cannot explain your own thoughts of the like everyone is entitled to have an opinion, even if it's bad, worse, or just straight up bullshit. But everyone deserves to have an opinion. But if you're saying if I'm putting a gun to your head and saying you live in a free country, but you cannot have a free opinion, isn't that wrong?
Yeah, it is
It's like saying बच्चे गाने गाओ ऐसा है legit
Okay.
ऐसा है. Good. So that's the point. Like our whole system, how it has been, how it is now. Even if you try to change it, you can either become a part of the system or you'll be engulfed by it. That's sad.
an example, like a personal example that comes to mind is our previous podcast, the second episode. Our second episode of the we had a podcast called Biologic, which was mainly talking about biology and stuff, and then we dabbled a little bit into politics. Okay, we were talking about it, and it was a sort of formal podcast with teachers and stuff. So we talked about it a little bit, and it got cancelled because we talked about politics, and they were afraid of releasing something talking about politics.
This is the case. Like,
Bro, imagine. Listen. The funniest part of it, we just thrashed, we just talked our hearts out. The moment I like pressed the stop button, one of the guests said, "Delete this immediately."
Yeah. Immediately.
Like as I had to even on spot, मुझे recycle bin से भी निकालना पड़ा था, मुझे दिखाना पड़ा कि हाँ नहीं है अभी इसमें. That was the case that we live in, and that brings me to our next point. School and society. I think there is like what we are taught, just resembles what a society is. There are deep-rooted concepts that should be broken, but they are instead taken up by education institution. Like there are three things that that come to my mind. One is no knowledge being given about the LGBTQ community or the other genders, and not knowing what is the difference between sex and gender. That's like the craziest aspect. Like people, if I ask them what sex and gender, like I did this psychology ka project, very funny. I asked the first question was what is the difference between sex and gender. The person goes, gender is what we are and sex is what we do. Can you imagine?
अरे नहीं, अब जैसे तेरा उसमें जो कैडबरी वाला पर्पल हार्ट वाला शुरू किया है, अब उसमें एक ऐड थी कि एक बंदा मफिन के साथ फोटो डालता है, बट वो शायद नेपाली था या फिर लाइक ईस्ट साइड से था, तो मोमो मफिन खा रहा है ऐसे लाइक कमेंट था, तो फिर उसमें पर्पल हार्ट। बट वो भी कैंपेन अच्छा है लाइक, क्योंकि इंटरनेट पे लोगों को क्या लगता है कि वो कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं, कुछ भी डाल सकते हैं, कि कोई उनको तो नहीं कुछ कह सकता ना।
Yeah, let me finish. Yeah,
like,
that's the point.
लोगों को भी समझ आना चाहिए कि लाइक कोई बंदा आपको इतने से लाइक 2 मिनट
people are using,
जज कर सकता है।
but imagine people are using this liberty in the wrong way. They are thinking कि क्या फर्क, वो अपनी भड़ास किसी और पे निकालते हैं।
अरे मेरे वीडियो में जब मैंने शुरू में चालू किया था ना, तो लाइक नॉर्मल हेल्पिंग वीडियोस थे कि सब्सक्राइब बनाना है वो सब, तो उसके अंदर ही ये लाइक गालियां वगैरह की, ये बंदा क्या कर लेगा, तू पहले खुद बना ले, और लाइक इतना गंदा वो, और YouTube उसको हटाता भी नहीं क्योंकि वो हिंदी में होता है ना, तो लाइक वो गालियां हटाता नहीं है, बट उस चीज के लिए भी मैंने बोला हुआ है कि लाइक जो बंदा आपको 2 मिनट्स की वीडियो पे बेस आपको
जज कर सकता है, हाँ,
उसको कुछ भी नहीं पता, आप क्यों इतना सोच रहे हो ना
Yeah,
उसके बारे में।
that's the point, yeah.
और लोग उससे बहुत ज्यादा अफेक्ट होते हैं। लोग ऐसा नहीं कि लोग, जैसे अब हमारी क्लास में बट नंदनी थी, उसको भी अगर कोई कुछ कह देता हल्का सा भी तो वो रोने लग जाती है, फिर माँ के पास चली जाती है। बट लोगों को ये समझ आना चाहिए ना कि इतना दूसरे का ओपिनियन मैटर नहीं करता।
जिंदगी का सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग।
Okay guys, so I'll leave it off there. We talked a lot for about like an hour and 30 minutes. I condensed it down to this much. Like, share, subscribe, and if you want to see a part 2, let me know. I'll get him on again. So yeah, bye.